Have you ever been captivated by the mesmerizing melodies produced by jazz guitarists? Their ability to create beautiful music on the spot, seemingly effortlessly, is truly awe-inspiring. If you've ever wished to possess this skill yourself, then this article is for you. In this guide, we will explore the art of spontaneity and how you can learn to effortlessly create mesmerizing melodies on the jazz guitar. The problem: feeling stuck in your musical expression. Many aspiring jazz guitarists find themselves feeling stuck when it comes to their musical expression. They may have a solid understanding of chords and scales but struggle to translate that knowledge into captivating improvisations. This lack of spontaneity can leave them feeling frustrated and limited in their playing. The rationale: unleashing your creative potential. By learning how to create spontaneous melodies on the jazz guitar, you will unlock your creative potential and take your playing to new heights. Improvisation allows for self-expression like no other form of musical performance. It enables you to connect with your emotions and communicate through your instrument in a unique way. The solution: embracing spontaneity in your playing. To become proficient at creating mesmerizing melodies on the jazz guitar, it's essential to embrace spontaneity as an integral part of your practice routine. Why spontaneous melodies matter? Spontaneous melodies are what give jazz its distinctive flavor and energy. They allow musicians to engage in dynamic conversations with each other during performances, creating moments that are truly magical for both players and listeners alike. How spontaneous melodies are created. Creating spontaneous melodies involves a combination of technical proficiency, theoretical knowledge, ear training, and most importantly, trust in one's own musical instincts. The importance of ear training. Developing a keen ear is crucial for creating mesmerizing melodies on the jazz guitar. By training your ears to recognize intervals, chord progressions, and melodic patterns, you will be better equipped to improvise effortlessly. Building a strong foundation. Technical proficiency. Before diving into spontaneous improvisation, it's essential to build a strong technical foundation on the guitar. This includes mastering scales, arpeggios, and various techniques such as bending and vibrato. Expanding your musical vocabulary. To create captivating melodies, it's important to expand your musical vocabulary by learning licks and phrases from renowned jazz guitarists. By studying their playing styles and incorporating their ideas into your own improvisations, you can develop your unique voice as a guitarist. Practicing with backing tracks. Practicing with backing tracks is an excellent way to simulate real-life performance situations while honing your improvisational skills. These tracks provide harmonic context and allow you to experiment with different melodic ideas over various chord progressions. Developing confidence in your playing. Confidence plays a significant role in creating mesmerizing melodies on the jazz guitar. Trusting in your abilities and letting go of self-doubt will enable you to take risks and explore new musical territories during improvisation. In conclusion, the art of spontaneity is at the heart of creating mesmerizing melodies on the jazz guitar. By embracing this concept in your practice routine and developing essential skills such as ear training, technical proficiency, expanding musical vocabulary, practicing with backing tracks, and building confidence in your playing, you can unlock endless possibilities for self-expression through music. So pick up that jazz guitar today. Let go of inhibitions. Trust yourself. Embrace spontaneity. Create mesmerizing melodies that will leave both yourself and others captivated by the beauty of improvised music.